Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Davidson County in Middle Tennessee, Eastern Dixon County in Middle Tennessee, Northern Williamson County in Middle Tennessee, Cheatham County in Middle Tennessee, Northeastern Hickman County in Middle Tennessee, South Central Robertson County in Middle Tennessee, until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 10 miles north of Dixon to near White Bluff to Centerville, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Madison, Charlotte, Bon Aqua, Hermitage, Belle Meade, Natchez Trace at Highway 96, Fairview, Berry Hill, Ashland City, White Bluff, Oak Hill, Forest Hills, Ridgetop, Bells Bend, Brentwood, Lyles, Nashville, Whites Creek, Bellevue, and Antioch. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 between mile markers 172 and 222. Interstate 65 between mile markers 67 and 97. Interstate 24 between mile markers 29 and 60.